So today I'm just going to share my super duper simple tea buns or quick scones. I don't know what you guys want to call these. They're called different things all over the world, but that's what we're making today. I make these as a super quick breakfast, and all you need is about a cup of yogurt. I'm using lactose free, of course, and nearly a cup of flour. This is gluten-free flour. As well as a tablespoon of baking powder and about a tablespoon and a half of butter or margarine. And just to be fancy and because they were on sale, I'm adding some blueberries as well. Okay, now we're just gonna mix all that together till we have something that kind of looks like a thick dough. You may have to add some more flour, and if so, that's fine. Okay, now you can see I have kind of like a sticky dough, almost like a cookie dough. And now I'm just gonna take a sticky heaping spoonful and plop it onto my baking sheets. These absolutely do not have to be perfect or round or any kind of shape whatsoever. And yeah, you just kind of do that with every single spoonful, like so. So I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and now I'm just going to pop my little buns in there and let them bake for 15 to 20 minutes. La la! Perfectly delicious and scrumptious tea brötchen, or little tea buns, and they are totally gluten-free, and I guess they're kind of healthy for you, but they are super duper delicious. I like to have them with lovely melted butter or margarine on them, but oh, so good, so good. Definitely, if you have the ingredients, go make some. They're perfect for breakfast, they're perfect for snacks, and they're so good. Go make them, go make them.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.